we're going to be talking about how to spot a trade. Let me look for the text. Okay, so for bullish, okay, I don't know what happened there. Yeah. All right, so for bullish trends means just do. And then for alright, so for bullish we have uptrends, and for bearish we have downtrends. So for bearish we have higher highs and higher lows, and for bullish, and then for bearish we have lower highs and lower lows. So now we're going to go into the market and we're going to be finding all these trends. So we can start off on, this is the 15-minute, so we can also go on a higher time frame, but we're going to start off for this one. So here we have a pretty good trend right here. So let's start marking this out. So here, as you can see, we have a high, and then we have this lower low, and then we have a lower high, and then we have a lower low, and then we have a lower high, and then a lower low. Okay, and what that basically means is we go back to our writing, and we can see that right here for our downtrend we have lower highs and lower lows. So basically we are bearish. That means we are bearish. And then we're going to go to, let's try to find a good bullish let's try to find a good bullish trend. So it's kind of sloppy right here. So okay, I'm gonna go to the 5-minute for this. It looks like market's been pretty bad for August, so we're gonna, let's wait for this to load. Okay, we could just look for something around here. So let's start right here. So we have, well, actually we can start lower than that. So we can start right here. So right here we start off with a low, and then we have a higher high, and then we have a higher low, and then we have a higher high, and then we have a higher low, and then we have a higher high. And then wait for this to load. Wi-Fi has been so slow. So we have, where was I? A higher low, and then a higher high. And then I guess we can count this, but this is kind of where market starts filling out. It's probably a bad time right here during Friday during lunch. So that's that, and then let's go to the 4-hour. We might find some good trends during the 4-hour. So all right, so all right, right here we have a lower low, and then we have a higher high, higher low. It's kind of weird, but let me find a better one. We can do this one right here. So we have a low, and then we have a higher high, and then a higher low, and then a higher high, and then a higher low, and then a higher high, and then a higher low, and then we have a higher high right there, and then we have a higher low, and then we have a higher high, higher low, and then it keeps going up. So we have an uptrend right here, and we're going to start right here. Let's get rid of this. Let's start up here. So we have a high, and then we have a lower low, and then a lower high, and then a lower low, and then a lower high, and then a lower low, and a lower high, and then we have a lower low down there. So and then we have a lower high, and then a lower low. So that's the trend right there. We have a downtrend right here. We have an uptrend, and then we'll talk about. Actually, we could talk about breakout structures in this video. So basically, what that is where market switches from one trend to another, like this right here. How it switched from a downtrend to an uptrend, as you can see right here. And mark this out. So right here, as you can see, we switch into an uptrend where we had higher high, and then we have a low, and then a higher low, and then a higher high, and a higher low. So it switched into an uptrend, and then right here we have it come down, and we have it continue an uptrend all the way up to here, and then right we can mark this as a high time frame breakout structure right here. A lower time frame breakout structure would be right around here. Right here would be a 4-hour breakout structure right there, and then we would mark out this trend right here. And you guys can go on to your trading platforms and mark these out as well. Right here we have a bearish, and then right here we have a bullish. And then right here we have a bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, slightly bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, all the way down. And then right here, we have a slight bullish, and then we have a bullish. And yeah, that's basically what trends are. And you can go onto your own trading platforms and draw these out. You can also go on to the line chart right here, and you can just kind of see on here kind of what I'm talking about. Like right here, it'd be easier to spot right here. So basically, you mark this out like a high, and you get a higher low, and then you have that. Let me try to right here. So here you have a high, and then you have a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So that would be a good downtrend right there, and then you can come up to you can come up like right here, and you can be like right here, and you have a low, and then you have a high, and then you have a higher low, and then a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then you have a higher high, higher low, and then that's where I would change direction right there. But same thing right here. We have a low, and then a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and a higher high. And then right here we have a high, and then a lower high. A lower low, and then we have a lower high, and then a lower low, and then a lower high, and then a lower low, and then a lower high, and then a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then yeah. So basically, That's what it is. That's what trends are, and you can go onto this line graph and you can mark these out yourself, and then you can go back into the trading bars. You can go back into the candles and start trading from there. So thank you for watching. This was a video explaining bearish and bullish bias and trends. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.